Hello everyone, you are welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert SAV file, which is actually in SPSS, to an Excel file. So here in your screen, you can find the Excel document. Now, in order to convert, I'll go to File, and then on the File menu, you'll find the option which is Export. Then you choose any of the export formats. So you can find Excel, you can find CSV, you can find tab delimited, which is for TXT. You can also find other types of export. So I'm going to choose Excel. When you choose Excel, a dialog box pops up this way. This folder that you can see is the folder that SPSS has actually suggested for you to save the exported file into. So you can see there are 96 variables. So it says keeping 96 of 96 variables. So in the instance where you don't want the entire 96 variables, and variable here stands for the columns. You click on the variable and then you can select the variables which you don't want to be exported. So if, let's say, I don't want this and then I don't want this, so I can either drop all or I can keep all. So you can see selected 94 of 96 variables that have been selected. So I'll click on continue. So you can see 94 of 96 variables have been selected. Now you can find options like the file name. I can change the name to any other thing that I want to change it to. So let me give it a file name, say testing. Okay, testing. So it will ask for the save as type. So the save as type, you can choose any, but since we are dealing with Excel, we need to leave it at Excel from 2007 through 2010. And then you can also give it a sheet name, right? So any of the options that you choose. Okay, now there's something I want you to understand. It checked this box which says write variable names to file. It checked it, and then if you don't check this box which says save value labels where defined instead of value data. Now what that means is that in SPSS, usually the data values are what you find on the individual variables. So whenever you check this box, you are telling SPSS to save value labels instead of the data values. So for instance, where you do a survey and you have gender column, which is supposed to give you male or female. Now, the data value there can be 0 or 1, 1 or 2, depending on how you set the question. Meanwhile, the value label itself could be male or female. So whenever you check this box, you are saying save the value label. Let it be male and female as it is, not zeros or ones. So that is why it is good to check this box. And when you check this box, you are good to go. You simply save. Okay. So you can see the response, save, translate. So this is the file part where the file is stored. So we'll quickly head over there and go to check it. So this is testing. Let's click on it and see. Beautiful. So you can see all these are the data that has been converted from SPSS. So you can also find the value labels. You can see all these are value labels. All these are value labels. You can see all these are value labels. You can see the gender, female, male, all these are value labels. And whenever you see -1, because actually this data is a survey data. Okay, so whenever you see -1, it indicates missing record. Okay, so that is how you are able to convert from SPSS to Excel documents. Thank you for sticking to this time. I'll see you next time.